Massive double-digit sell-offs in the gold price have investors running to the hills, but what about bar and coin and jewelry demand? Are they holding up? So Nigel, I put that question to you to see what kind of demand you're seeing from gold and silver as compared to, say, 3 months ago.
Basically, Alex, we're still seeing very good demand around the place. Since the gold price went up, there's been a lot of interest in gold and silver coins, particularly because you can buy them in convenient sizes. They're relatively easy to buy too. They're quite attractive to hold. And so we're still seeing very good levels of sales.
So can we say that the price volatility that we've seen over the last few months has not been reflected in buyer demand?
Yes, you would say that too. In fact, actually, we recently launched our lunar coins, which are medallions which are designed for the Chinese lunar years. And this is the year of the dragon that we're just actually celebrating. They all sold out within 2 hours. I couldn't get any.
Wow. Okay, so then where is demand going? You mentioned China, so I would assume that would be a big buyer.
Well, that's Asian demand overall, and that's Asians all over the world. So there was big demand out of the US for that too, through the Asian population. Generally, these sort of things have always got a lot of interest, but we're selling a lot in the United States at the moment, and also a lot into to Asia too. Yeah.
And what about Germany? When we spoke last time, you were seeing a lot of silver sales into Germany. What kind of European demand are you seeing?
There's still good demand very good demand in Germany, particularly for gold. Probably silver's dropped off a little bit at this point in time, but we're still seeing very large sales into Germany.
And are you seeing any price sensitivity, particularly from Asian countries?
Not particularly at this point in time. When it comes to the larger the bars, when you're talking about the distribution in half-ton lots, certainly there is some price volatility there, particularly out of India, and the Indian demand goes up and down with the price in itself. And
meaning that they buy on a dip and then do they sell on a rally, or
they're
they just
very
buy
price
on
conscious. No, it's a question of when they're buying.
Okay.
They don't normally sell. But as far as the Chinese are concerned, there's no interest as far as what the price is. They just keep buying. And in fact, as one person said to me the other day, they seem to think it's a bit of a status symbol to have actually paid higher prices for their gold than someone else they know.
Oh, interesting. So how does this buying environment compare to a year ago?
Overall, it's a much stronger environment, I would say.
And what is your expectation then for 2012?
Well, overall, I think we'll still see very good demand. As I say, we're seeing this throughout our coin markets in particular, and overall we just can't make enough bars either there too, particularly to meet Chinese demand.
Thanks, Nigel. I really appreciate it. So Perth Mint still seeing strong demand from China and India regardless of price volatility.